So guys, if you see the finish of the paint on the top of the car like this, on this part, on the bonnet or on the sides, it is nice and glossy and shiny. It is very, very smooth, guys. But if you check the finish on the running board, let's go near the running board, guys. This is the car running board. And if you check the finish right here, and I will show you closely.
Now if you see the down part of the running board, just look at the finish, guys. It has a rough type of finish. And as you guys can see, there is like a line like this on the entire running board. What I mean by that is the top part is smooth and the bottom part is rough or uneven. If you have never checked this part on your car, then go right now and check if your car has this coating.
So for all of you, if your car body gets damaged near the running board and if you take it to the auto body shop for repair, then see that you instruct the guys, whoever is going to work on your car, whoever is going to do the repairs, that do it as it was before. Tell him to apply the coating and then apply the paint. Because some repair shops are not well versed, guys. So they don't know how to fix this. But in the long run, guys, when you drive the car every day, stones are going to fall on this part. The paint is going to get chipped off. Your metal is going to get exposed and rusting is going to start soon. And it is going to spoil your entire running board, guys, which you don't want. So guys, what is the use of this coating and why it is applied on the running board like that? That we will discuss in this video. Now in my last video, I tried to tell you guys that the primary function of the paint is to protect the metal from rusting. And the secondary function is the visual appearance or to make our vehicle look good. Now the entire vehicle or on the top of our car has a nice glossy and a smooth finish. But on the bottom part or on the running board, the color will be the same, but the finish will be a rough type of finish, a uneven finish. Now why it is rough like that we will find out further in this video. So don't skip even a bit, guys, because it is going to be a very helpful video for all of you guys. And keep the channel subscribed for more videos like this. So guys, this is a special coating designed specially for particular areas of your car, like the running board. And it is called the stone guard coating or anti-stone chip coating. Because when a car is moving at a very high speed, tiny stones get stuck to the tires and it falls on the car metal body with a very high impact. Because the car is very fast and the tire is rotating very fast, the stones get into the tire, they rotate and they fall on the metal body of the car, especially in the areas like the running board or your car wheel wells. Now if the paint in these areas were smooth and didn't have any coating on it, then this stone would have easily chipped off the paint. And when the paint is chipped off, metal is exposed there. And when the metal is exposed, guys, you guys know what will happen. Rusting will start. And this is the reason why this type of coating is applied in these type of areas. And that is the reason why it is called a stone guard coating or an anti-stone chip coating. Now the color of the coating is different than the car paint color, guys. But it has a specialty as it acts as a cushioning between the car body and the stone. So the stone, when it hits the cushion layer of the coating instead of the metal body of the car and protects it from chipping. And even if the paint is chipped off from there, guys, the coating is still there and it will protect your car body. So in the long run, if the metal is not exposed, there is no rusting. And like this, the metal can last for a long time. And this is the reason why, guys, the running board of newer cars rarely rust if you compare it with the older cars. If you look at the older car, guys, most of the older cars are rusted where the running board is. It is because the stones kept on hitting on it, the paint got chipped off, and the metal was exposed and the owner didn't know about it, and that is the reason why rusting started, and in the long run the entire running board got rusted and he had to replace that part. Now you guys have seen the car that I had shown you. What happened with that car is the big stones which they put on the side of the road, one of those stones was standing. It was a big concrete stone which they put to cover the drainage. So they kept it standing like this. I did not see it. I took a reverse and I banged my car there. And because this coating was there, in spite of such a big dent, the coating did not move a bit, guys. The dent came, but the coating was still there, and that is the reason why it did not expose the metal and rusting did not occur. See how it protects a vehicle, guys. It's a very important coating. Now the specialty of this coating is, guys, it creates a good bonding with the surface of the car, and it also acts as a cushioning, and it absorbs all the impact, all the stones which hit it. And on top of that, guys, when you spray paint on top of it, it also bonds with the paint well. First is it creates a good bond with the car body. Second is it acts as a cushioning and absorbs all the impacts. And third is it also creates a good bond with the paint that you spray on top of it. So if you look at the car from far away, the paint color is the same, guys. You cannot notice the difference, but it acts as a protector for stone chips. Nowadays, most of the cars have this coating, guys. In the olden cars, you might not notice it much, but in the newer cars, all manufacturers now apply this coating. Now, because of the cost cutting, the height of the coating is decreasing little by little, but the coating is still there and it still protects your vehicle, which makes your vehicle last for a long time. Now, what if this coating is chipped off and your metal is exposed? What you can do in that case? Now, first of all, this coating is very strong, guys. You guys have seen, even after such an impact and such a big dent on the car, the coating has not moved and it will not get chipped off that easily. But if a car goes through a heavy impact, for example, if an accident occurs, and if you have to replace the entire running board, and if you did a patchwork by cutting the running board and you put a new metal there, or if you sanded that area and pulled that metal out to level the dent. So when we do any of this, guys, the coating will not remain. So for all of you, if your car body gets damaged near the running board, and if you take it to the Autobody shop for repair, then see that you instruct the guys, whoever is going to work on your car, whoever is going to do the repairs, that do it as it was before. Tell him to apply the coating and then apply the paint. Because some repair shops are not well versed, guys. So they don't know how to fix this. And when they don't know how to do this, they will give you a reasonable offer. You will feel that you are getting the job done for cheap, and immediately you will allow them to work on your car. But in the long run, guys, when you drive the car every day, stones are going to fall on this part. The paint is going to get chipped off. Your metal is going to get exposed, and rusting is going to start soon. And it is going to spoil your entire running board, guys, which you don't want. Because they have done the paint job in a wrong way. Because they did it for cheap, which you don't want, guys. So when you give your vehicle to repair at an Autobody shop, see that you tell those people, talk to them and tell them that you want it to be like before. If they can't do it, then change the Autobody shop, take it somewhere where they can fix it properly. Tell them to apply the stone guard coating and then apply the paint. And when the paint job is done and when you go back to the Autobody shop to collect your car, see that you check if they have done the job properly. See the surface, if it looks as if the coating is applied there, and see if the stone guard coating is present there. You might have to pay a little bit extra, but that will protect your car in the long run and your car will last for a long time. I will try to make a video on this, guys, because I already have a dent on my running board. I will try to apply the stone guard coating, and on top of that I will apply the paint, and I will show you guys exactly how to fix it. So keep the channel subscribed and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos, because I am going to post that video on this very same channel. And like this, guys, if you want to learn Autobody and painting seriously, then I have already created a course on it. I don't have a video on how to fix this stone guard coating and all, but I'm going to put that video also in my course. So if you guys are interested in learning Autobody and painting seriously, then I have created a step-by-step course where you can learn and get professional-like results. I've put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled right now. And guys, see that you keep commenting, because your comments motivates me, guys, to make more videos like this. So do comment all the time. If you have any queries, then see that you post it in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, guys, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisam and I signing out until we meet again.